This week on Dog Soldier.
We just jerked a pistol like Doc Holliday, got him on the charge.
I'll be your Huckleberry, baby.
God,
Hold on just a second. Stuff needs to die. You just got to go out and find it.
Hey everybody, I'm Steve Kreiner and welcome to this week's Dog Soldier TV. We're gonna get crazy this week. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna kill a pig with an air gun. We might even shoot an armadillo with an air gun. We're gonna call in coons. And the best fun of all, we're gonna hang out with Marshall Bryan at Kick and Be Hunting on the Wildcat Springs Ranch. I'm telling you, the action is intense. Dog Soldier TV starts now.
Dog Soldier's closed captioning is brought to you by Caldwell Shooting Supplies, precision shooting supplies and accessories. This season on Dog Soldier by Flexstone.
Actually, on this hunt, me and Kevin's headed back from Oklahoma. We had a pretty dry hunt. It kind of sucked. Struggling a little bit. But we wanted to stop into the kickandbehunting.com's very own Marshall Bryan.
Well, folks, you got the voicemail from Marshall Bryan at Wildcat Springs Ranch.
Get that airboat fired up, buddy. Talk to you later. Now, he manages the Wildcat Spring Ranch in Oklahoma. I'm telling you, the guy's got big whitetails. He's got elk. He's got everything you can imagine. And he's got pigs, and he's got raccoons.
Going on? Ready to shed blood or what, man? Heck yeah, doing
Hang on. That's all I gotta say is hang on. This one's gonna be good. Right out of the gate, I grabbed my .35 caliber air rifle and we just skipped down the road to the Shiloh Ranch. And we're gonna kill a pig with an air rifle right out of the gate. It's awesome.
Shiloh is awesome. If you've ever been pig hunting, or even if you haven't been pig hunting, like, I'm getting amped up just knowing, like, I love shooting pigs. We are shooting Air Venturi 105 grain round nose bullets. Right there, 105 grain. And this recluse, it shoots really good. I wouldn't think twice about shooting a 300-pound hog at 50 yards with this rifle. I've killed coyotes with it on video. See what we can get done. Kevin, there's pigs popping out right here. See them right there? .42, 43, 44, 45, 46 yards. Sam Yang Recluse, 35 caliber. And I stone-templed her pilot, plain and simple. Tell you what, when I heard we were going to Fort Worth, I called Marshall and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be passing through. I wanna hunt a hog on the Shiloh. Marshall put it together just like he'd do for you guys. He'll put these hog hunts together and they have big hogs here. Like I said earlier, I wanted to shoot a big hog, but I'm telling you what, this little Razorback, I love catching hogs, I love shooting hogs, and when I feel it, it's on. Look at her back, man. That's why I shot her. I was like, I gotta shoot that dude.
Richie there?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Stone-templed her pilot, man. 45 yarder. Bam.
Dog Soldier is brought to you by Flexstone Game Calls. Designed by nature, Flexstone engineered. A Halo XRT6 rangefinder. Never compromise, never miss. Barnett Crossbows. Faster, stronger, lighter. Umarix Airguns. Zeroed in. Pyramid Air. Everything airgun, and then some. Scent Killer Gold with Hunt Dry technology. Apply it, dry it, and go hunt.